Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. So to get started, you want to pull down your toggles by swiping down from the top right side of your screen like so, and then find the battery icon with a plus inside. This is our power saving mode, and when you press on it, it does change the color of the toggle right here, along with it changes the color of the filling of the battery in here. Now, apart from just the color change, there's a couple of things happening in the background which you might not be aware of. So we hold it, let's see if that does give us any info, and it actually does. So battery saver will turn off the wake up screen for notification. So when you get notifications, it will no longer light up. Also turns off the actual power saving mode if the battery is above 50% or fully charged. Now this doesn't apply if you manually enable it when the battery is above 50% already. And we also have a schedule mode, so looks like there's not much info right here. So I'm gonna give one more info that might be happening, though it's something that you might experience throughout using it or might not. So typically power saving mode does turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data when you're not using the device. So when you lock it up like this and you just leave it, it disconnects to preserve battery life. And there's two options usually to this. Either it will reconnect to either Wi-Fi or mobile data every so often, just so it can check if it's missing some kind of notifications, and in this case it would deliver them in delayed manner, and it would delay bulk, like notifications in bulk, but just delayed. Or the second one is that it's just not gonna turn on Wi-Fi and mobile data as long as you're not using the device. And if you want to see if you, for instance, got like new emails or stuff like that, you will literally need to open up your email application and have that fetch it manually. So if you encounter one of those, just know that this is part of the power saving mode. Now, anyway, going back to it, once you're done with your power saving mode, you can simply turn it off by tapping on a toggle once again. And with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.